Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my washer, and it's a LG washer. LG Inverter direct drive washer. The issue is it's not draining the water. The water is all filled up, it's spinning, but the water is not draining. And why? That I need to find out, and I'm going to troubleshoot. I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to see what is the problem. It could be a minor problem, it could be a clogged pipe or clogged pipe inside. That is an easy fix. And then the worst scenario will be the pump itself gone bad, which is not draining the water. So we'll find out in this journey, and come along and let's see how we can fix the washer if the water is not draining out. I don't have the code to show it to you right now because I have unplugged it. OE error code. This is the situation I have. All the clothes inside, the water is not draining. It's spinning, but it's not draining. And now the first thing we need to do, take out the clothes, and we're going to take the water out because it's hard to move the washer. Once it's filled with water, it's very heavy. What I have done so far, I have taken out all the clothes and I just basically drained the water, and I have a bucket. As you can see, the water is still inside. It was filled all the way on top of up to here, and we still have water left. So what basically I'm doing, I'm filling up in the bucket. I'm just draining it into the sink. The whole intent is, at this moment, I'm going to take out all the water. And as you can see, I still have to take maybe 20 plus more bucket. The whole reason we're doing it so we can empty out the tank, then it will be easy for us to move the washer. If you leave the water inside, that's fine, but it's going to be very, very heavy. After taking out all the water, so basically it's fully, as you can see, before it was full with water. So we drained the water, so there is no more water. So we go on the back. There are 4 screws. I opened it, one from here, one here, and here. And this is the panel. I took it out. So now we can see the pump is located right there. So when you're working on the washer, it's a good idea to take it outside. So if there is any spillage, so it won't make a mess inside. I brought the dolly and now I'm going to take it out. So I'm going to take the washer outside. As I mentioned, that if there is any spillage, you can make a mess outside. So this is the pump. It's located right here. So we need to get a needle nose plier or any plier, just to squeeze it and pull this one out, and we can see if there is any clogged inside this hose or this hose or the pump itself. So we'll find out. As you can see, all the water is getting drained out from the motor. So it's going to make a mess. So that's the reason I was saying don't do it inside your laundry. So now I have to check 2 things. Either this one is clogged or the pump itself gone bad. But it was making humming noise. So looks like pump is working, but the drum was spinning, but it wasn't draining. So let me check it out and then I'll share with you. The first troubleshooting is I'm going to connect the hose into this side, and we're going to see if it's flush out really well, so the hose is not clogged. Okay, turn the water on. Now it's coming out real nicely, so it's not clogged. So it looks like it's the pump. So you can turn off the water. So this one fine. There is no issue with it. So as you've seen it, the water was flowing out of here as soon as I unplug it. So that means this pump is bad, and we checked the hose is not clogged and it flushes fine. So once the water coming, it means it's not clogged over here. The water start flowing from here. That means the pump is bad. So now we need to take the pump out. So we need 10 millimeter ratchet. So we're going to open these. This is the one bolt I opened from this side, and one is on the other side. So we're going to open that. So these are the 3 bolts we take it out. You loosen with the ratchet and then pull these out. And now the pump will come off. So once the pump come out like this, you turn it around, and these are the 2 electrical connector. You remove those. Make sure that your washer is unplugged from the outlet. There are 2 screws at the bottom, as you can see. Those are Phillips screw. So use a screwdriver and remove it. But first thing we need to do that remove the hose clamp from this side and unplug it. And then we're going to take it out and take it out those 2 screws. This is the old pump I took it out. This was gone bad. I'll provide the part number under my description, so please check it out. So I just replaced it, and very easy, same thing. We're going to put this hose and going to move the clamp. Then this hose, this side hose will go on top, and then the bracket itself with the screws on. So we're going to mount back. It will be all working. So I'll show it to you. I'm just testing it right now. I just added some water with the hose, and I kept it on range and spin. So right now it's spinning, and I want to see if the water comes out. If the water comes out, so that means it fixed the problem. As you can see, it started to drain. Just put it on a spin only, and right now it's taking all the water out. It's draining, and as you can see, the pump making a noise. So it's pretty much it's draining out. It's draining all the water. So the job, it's a success job. So we had the issue with the pump where the water wasn't draining. So the LG washer wasn't draining because of the pump issue. So I'm going to stop it. And as I mentioned, I just filled it up with the water hose, and we see it's flushing out. So it's a success job, and I hope this video will help you out. In case if you having issue that the water is not draining out, it's inside the LG washer or any other washer. So that's the way to troubleshoot and fix your own washer. So after replacing the new pump, and we seen that the pump is working, I just plugged the hose, and you seen the water was flowing. So now we put back those 2 screws at the bottom on the bracket, and I put that the hose on this side, and we're going to place this one back, and these are the big bolts which goes into the body. So just do the hand tight and then use a ratchet, and there are 3 of them, 2 on the back and 1 in the front. This is the older pump which I took it out, and if you notice that I was spinning, and it's spinning, nothing is clogged or jam inside. It's just basically worn out, it's burned. So this is no longer working. This is the part number. We'll list under the description, so please check it out in case if you need to change yours. This is very easy, it's not hard at all. So only thing is you need an effort to change it yourself. So after tightening all three bolts, so this is the pump is secured, and this is the hose, the outer hose. Let's put it, push it, and then slide the clamp, just like that. So the last thing is now we can put that electrical connector. So the gray is on this side and the blue on this side. You won't miss it, the way the wire is routed, is bended. And now the last thing, put the cover. Now we're going to put the back panel, back plate back. There are 4 screws, and we're going to connect the water hose. The drainage will go here, and I'll start it and I'll show it to you how it's working. And as for hot and cold, it's written on top, and also it's color coded on the back. And the same thing with the water line. Everything is plugged in, so now we're going to turn the water on. Top clean, so it's locked. So it's spinning, and once it's going to fill up the water, and I'll show you how it's getting drained. As you see, it start to fill slightly into here. I did the ring and the spin, so for no flow, the water is filling it. So as you see, it's spinning really good, and once you're able to rinse and then spin and then drain the water. So now it's draining the water. Initially we had a problem after replacing the pump. If you notice, you have a lot of water, so it's going to get drained. And it's draining fast. So the pump was bad, so we were able to fix the problem. I hope you will find this video to be helpful, and you can fix your washer if your washer is not working, it's not draining. Like always, thank you for watching, and I hope this video will bring a smile on your face. If your washer is not working, it's not draining the water, that's way to fix your LG Inverter direct drive washer. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.